Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Service Family Nutrition Program, and today I'm making a healthy Thanksgiving side dish. This is a cranberry salad. Before you start cooking, it's always a good idea to wash your hands, your fruits and vegetables, and clean your cooking surfaces. I've already done that, so I'm ready to get started. Some cranberry salads that you may see at Thanksgiving include some whipped cream or marshmallows, and while they're delicious, they really are pretty unhealthy. So we are going to make an alternative, a healthy cranberry salad. Our cranberry salad has fresh cranberries, 3 stalks of finely diced celery, half a cup of sugar, a cup of chopped walnuts, a little squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a package of strawberry or cranberry gelatin, a cup of water, and that's it. We'll be ready to go. Now, with fresh cranberries, you definitely need to sweeten them up. So that's why we've also got our sugar. We are going to chop our cranberries first. If you have a food processor, you could always use a food processor to help you speed up the chopping process, but you can also just chop it with a knife. And we're just going to carefully chop up our cranberries. And if you had a handheld chopper, even a blender might work. Yep, we had one go AWOL. They have a lot of antioxidants in them. Little cancer-fighting superfood. And you want to dice these up small so that they can absorb all the sugar, because cranberries are inherently pretty tart. I got the bag of fresh cranberries chopped up and ready to go. Now I'm going to add a cup of water to our pot and bring it to a boil. While we wait for our water to boil, we're going to add our half a cup of sugar and our fresh cranberries. We are going to mix this up until the sugar is dissolved. And the sugar is really going to help to bring out the liquid of the cranberries. Definitely going to sweeten them up. Fresh cranberries are definitely loaded with fiber. You can tell when the sugar starts to dissolve because it starts to get juicier. I think I'm almost there. My water's almost boiling. I am going to go ahead and add my 3 stalks of celery that has been finely chopped. Isn't that pretty? And our 1 cup of chopped walnuts. It's a great plant-based protein to have. And then a little squeeze of lemon juice, and that's just gonna brighten up all of our flavors. And I'm gonna set this to the side and dissolve my Jell-O. I'm gonna turn the heat off, maybe, and add in our Jell-O. And we're gonna mix this up until our Jell-O is all dissolved. You could also do this step in the microwave. I often do that at home. I'll use a large liquid measuring cup and put it in the microwave. And then we are going to add this to our cranberries, walnut, celery, and sugar mixture. just about ready to go. And we're just gonna give this a good mix. This is really gonna be a crunchy, sweet, tart salad to kind of offset maybe some of the heavier things you might be eating for Thanksgiving. You could even get fancy and put it in a Jell-O mold. I'm just gonna level it all out, and we're gonna pop this in the refrigerator until it's all set up. Our cranberry salad has just come out of the refrigerator, and you can tell it is all set up and ready to be dished out. This would look so pretty in a clear glass dish. It is so colorful, and the Jell-O is solid. That is really a great flavor, not too sweet, but not tart. You've got the crunchiness from the celery and the walnuts. Check out our YouTube and Facebook channels to get links to all of these great recipes.